Hi everyone. Today I'm going to do some addition with you. And this is inspired by a math teacher named Howie Hua, who had something going around on Twitter recently, which I thought was pretty cool. All right, I'm always telling my students there are multiple ways to solve the same problem. That is exactly what makes math fun and beautiful. We're going to do the same problem, 259 plus 661, in two different ways. First, let's review what's going on with these numbers. So let's look at 259, for example. The 9 is in the ones place. It's saying there are 9 ones. The 5 is in the tens place, T for tens. And the 2 is in the hundreds place. So there are 2 hundreds, 5 tens, which is 50, and 9 ones. That's really the expanded form of that number, 259. 200 plus 50 plus 9. All right, now we're going to add using the standard algorithm here on this left example, which is the way most people learn how to add still. But it's confusing for some people. It would start here on the right side, and you would say 9 plus 1 is 10. And with standard algorithm, you write a 0 here, and you carry that little 1, right? That's what confuses many students. Why do you carry the 1? Where do you put it? What's going on with that? Why do we put that little 1 there? Because 9 plus 1 is 10, right? It's exactly enough to put another 1 in that tens column because we just made a whole other 10. Now we add our tens. We have 5 plus 6 plus 1, which is 12. So again, we have to carry, put a 2 here, and carry a 1 because 50 plus 60 is really what we're adding, plus another 10. So it's really 120, which is enough to put a 1 here in the hundreds column, plus 2 other tens, 120. So now the leftmost column is 1 plus 2 plus 6, which we add to get 920. Okay, that way is done. Let's move to the right side. Now, it's perfectly okay to also go left to right, and we're going to use the expanded form of the numbers to do that. The important thing here with this way is to line up your answers correctly. So we would start here. This 2 and this 6 is really 200s plus 600s, right? Or what is 200 plus 600? You would say that's 800. Now move to the middle column, which is really saying 50 plus 60, right? Which is 110. And then the last column is 9 plus 1, which is 10. So with this way, you get a lot of numbers that end in zeros, right? And that's usually a little easier to add. So then we add these and you get 920, the same answer. So if this way is kind of new to you, let's just do one more. Looking at expanded form, this would be 2,000 plus 4,000, which is really 6,000. Next, we have 300 plus 700, which is a whole other 1,000. 50 plus 80, because that's the tens column, would be 130. And then 6 plus 2 is just 8. Line up your numbers correctly, and then you'll have no problems adding them. You get 8, 3, 1, 7. 7,138. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. My website is learnwithme123.com. Thank you for doing some math with me today. Bye-bye. Have a good day.